Hello crafties. So a new month is just around the corner. So today I'm making a August theme journal. So stay tuned with me. I'm mostly using very simple and homemade journal supplies. All these tutorials are on my channel. You can check these on my channel. Some doodle stickers you can easily make at home. This is something new I have done with vellum sheets. I'm going to share this one in my future videos. And this washi tape too. It's a handmade little envelope and a butterfly. And this one I tried to not overcrowd it, so it's a very simple, elegant kind of journal. It's a little note, like a kind of reminder. You can write anything in it you want. And adding some washi tapes here and there. Now the August calendar. I'm keeping it all very simple. Writing the dates. And circling the birthdays. A little bit of extra touch. Yes, here it is ready, a quite simple aesthetic kind of August journal. I hope you enjoyed watching the videos and got some new inspirations too. And thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.